rotations. Rotations are the example for CN point group. For example, 3 rotations. What are rotations? Rotations are center polygon, for example, cyclopropyl. And again in the corners are again cyclopropyl groups are linked. Okay, these cyclopropyls uh, are arranged in such a way that means they are in between the angle 0 and the 90 degree with respect to the plane of the center polygon. So see, this is 3 rotane, which is example for C3 point group. C3 point group. 4 rotane. In case of 4 rotane, center polygon is cyclobutane, and there is a cyclopropyl groups are linked to the corners of the center cyclobutane. Okay. So this is example for the C4 point. This is 4 rotane. Similarly, 5 rotane. So can be example for the C5 point group. So next we will go for the CNV point group. In case of CNV point group, H is equal to 2n. H is equal to the total number of elements is equal to the 2 multiplied by the order of the rotational axis. So how it will be CNV? CNV obtained by adding a n number of vertical planes sigma v to the Cn will generate the CNV. The n number of elements is due to the Cn, that is n minus 1 plus E identity element, total n number of elements. Another n number of elements is equal to the is accounted for the number of vertical planes. So totally 2n elements are present. Here you can give the the C2v is an example. If you increase the order C3v, so C4v you can go C4v. Case of C2v, H is equal to 4. H is equal to 4. The total number of elements is E identity element C2 and 2 vertical planes sigma v. Here H is equal to 6. The elements are E, C31, C32 and 3 vertical planes sigma v. Sigma v1, sigma v2, sigma v3. Similarly, here H is equal to 8. 4 2s are E, C41, C42 which is equal to C2. That is 90 degree 2 time rotation is equal to 180 degree 1 time rotation. C43, C44 is equal to identity element 4 vertical planes sigma v. Okay. So example for C2v, you can give the water is a best example. For C2v, all AB2 bent molecules, for example, all AB2 bent molecules is example for the C2v point group. Okay, and also the SO2, H2O, SO2 is example for this one, and ClF3 molecule, which is a T-shaped molecule, so which is belongs to the C2v point group. So when you go for the C3v point group, when you go for the C3v point group, in case of C3v, you can give the trigonal pyramidal molecules is an example. Okay, one such molecule is ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule is example for the C3v, and even phosphine belongs to the C3v. So for square pyramidal molecules belongs to the C4v point group. One such example is wolframite oxy tetrafluoride is example for the C4v. So this containing a C4 rotational axis, okay, and the 4 vertical planes. Four vertical planes are present here. Okay. So like that you can give the examples for the. So CNV H is equal to here n. Here CNV H is equal to 2n. Then we will go for the CNH. How the CNH will be obtained? If you add the horizontal plane to the CN elements, will generate the CNH. Here also H is equal to 2n. N elements are due to the Cn and another elements are due to the combination of sigma H with the Cn. Again that will generate a Sn elements. Another n number of Sn elements. Altogether there are totally 2n elements are present. So example for C2H and C3H you can find. Okay, if you go for higher order, examples are very rare. So in case of C2H, what are the elements? So the elements are identity element, the C2 proper rotational axis, C22 is equal to identity element again. There is the presence of sigma H, Sigma H in combination with C2 will generate the improper rotational axis S2, that is equal to I, inversion center. S2 is equal to I. Either I can write S2 or I can write the inversion center I. So here S2 is equal to totally I is present when n is equal to even number. If I is absent, inversion center is absent when n is equal to odd number. So in case of C3H, the elements 2n elements are, that is equal to 2, 3, 6 elements are E, C31, C32, sigma H, S31, S32. There is no S33 because S33 is equal to sigma again. So sigma is already is there. That's why I am not written the S33. But S31 and S32 is there. In fact, if n is equal to add, there are 2n elements are present with respect to the Sn when n is equal to add. But most of the elements are since repetitive, only the elements which are not repeated, so that elements are written. In all together, there are 6 elements are present. So example for C2H, I will give the example for C2H. C2H, you can give the example for 1,2-dichloroethylene is the best example. So this is a planar molecule in which there is a C2 proper rotational axis is there. There is a plane of symmetry, horizontal plane of symmetry is there. So that will be accounted for 4. Another P2F4 is also example for C2H. Okay. When you go for the C3H, boric acid is the best example, H3BO3, okay, in which the OH, all the OH are in plane with respect to the plane of the borane. So this containing a C3 proper rotational axis along with the horizontal plane of symmetry. So this is the example for C3H. These two are example for the C2H point. So next, this is also H is equal to 2n. So next we go for the DN point group. Okay. So here DN point group are pure rotational groups. So DN means D symbol is assigned when the molecule containing a Cn proper rotational axis and n number of secondary rotational axis, then that will be assigning the D. Okay, under this one, that Dn is obtained by Dn is equal to Cn plus n number of secondary rotational axis indicated by T2 dash. Okay, D2, so D2 means, so C2 proper rotational axis, n number means 2 number of C2 dash. So altogether H is equal to 4 here. So hence H is equal to 2n. The total number of elements present is H is equal to order of the group H is equal to 2n is there. You can also give to find out the example for D3. So the D3 means, so obtained by C3 plus 3 C2 dash. Total number of elements are, so E, C31, C32 and 3 secondary rotation axis 3 C2 dash. So here H is equal to 6. H is equal to 6. So example for D2, you can give the ethylene in skew form. Ethylene skew form in which the plane of this CH2 and this CH2 is tilted. Okay, it is not in a plane to give the horizontal plane of symmetry. So this skew form of ethylene belongs to the D2, and another biphenyl can be also used for the skew form of biphenyl is also used for the D2 point. So when you go for higher order, examples are very rare. So for D3 you can give the example Gaussian form of the ethane. Gaussian form of the ethane belongs to the D3 point group and H is equal to 6 elements totally. Like this you can give the example for Dn is over. Here H is equal to 2n. So next DNH point group. So DNH point group means most of the planar molecules. There are many planar molecules belong to this DNH point group. Okay. So here DNH is obtained by adding the horizontal plane to the Dn elements will generate the DNH. The order of the group H is equal to 4n here. H is equal to 4n. So how the 4n will be obtained? 2n elements are due to Dn, the proper rotational axis and secondary rotational axis. Principal rotational axis and the secondary rotational axis. That means the presence of proper rotational axis and the presence of horizontal plane indicated the n number of sigma b, n number of sigma vertical planes are present. Okay. Another element is due to the combination of sigma h with the proper rotational axis Cn, that will generate the Sn. elements, n number of Sn elements. That n number of Sn elements. Altogether 2n plus n totally 4n elements are present. Here also the inversion center is present when n is even, okay, and inversion center is absent when n is odd number. So you can find out the example for D to H. Here H is equal to 8. The 8 elements are E, identity element, okay, and C2 proper rotational axis, and 2 C2 dash secondary rotational axis, and 2 vertical planes, okay, and 1 horizontal plane, and another one is the S2. S2 is equal to I. You can write I or S2. Okay, altogether H is equal to 8. So the best example for D to H is ethylene molecule. Ethylene is planar molecule, which is example for the, and another one is the diborane molecule, which is also, okay, belongs to D2H point group. So naphthalene is also example for the D2H point group. Like that, many molecules can be an example for the D2H. Next, D3H. D3H means here H is equal to 4 3s are 12 elements are present. What are the 12 elements? E, C31, C32, and 3 C2 secondary rotational axis, and 3 vertical planes, okay, and then there is a horizontal plane, and S31 and S32. So altogether total 12 elements. Example is BX3 molecules. Is the best example. X is equal to either Cl, Br, or I, whatever may be. So it is a trigonal planar molecule. It belongs to the D3H. And even PCl5, it is a trigonal bipyramidal molecule. That is also belongs to the D3. It is a non-planar molecule, but belongs to D3H point group. And eclipsed ethane molecules also belongs to D3H point group. So next we will go for the D4H. So D4H means the regular square planar molecule, okay, it belongs to, that is platinum tetrachloride. It belongs to the D4H point group. And cyclopentyl group belongs to the D5H point group. And D6H, benzene is the cyclo, here benzene, not cyclohexane, benzene belongs to the D6H point group. So here D6 means there are H is equal to 6 4, the 24 elements are present. Okay, you can list all the 24 elements here. Okay, so what are the 24 elements you can list here? Here E, C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C6, C6 to the power of 5, and 6 C2 dash, okay, secondary rotational axis, and 6 vertical plane, 6 sigma V. Okay. In fact, out of the sigma V, there are 3 vertical planes and 3 diagonal planes are present. Okay. In general, I have written the 6 sigma V, okay, and sigma H is present. Okay, and then the remaining are the, okay, S3 rotational axis, whatever the S3, that is the S31, so altogether totally, sorry, S6, not the S3, S6 elements are present. So altogether totally 24 elements you can list under the, okay, D6H. Next we will go for the, okay, what are the, next we will go for the, so next D and D point. Next we will go for the D and D point. Anyway, I'll come back to the D6H. So totally how many elements is there? Totally 6 elements. 6 plus 6, 12 elements. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 19. Okay, 19. Then 5 S6 elements. 5 S6 elements is there. Totally altogether 24 elements. Next we'll go for the D and D. So D and D is obtained by adding a n number of diagonal planes, sigma d to the dn. So 2n elements are due to the, so presence of dn, and another n plus n elements are due to the diagonal planes. So in combination of n sigma d with the dn will generate the another n number of elements of Sn, where n is even. Here noted that D and D group do not containing Sn axis in which n is equal to add. That means it is always containing Sn axis in which n is equal to E1. If n is equal to R, that will goes to the DNH point group. That's why here altogether total 4n elements. H is equal to 4n elements. Example for this one D2D, you can use aldene molecule containing a 2 diagonal plane. So example for DPD, you can staggered ethane molecule can be given. The last one is the SN. In case of SN itself is the group generator. Okay, here n is always even. N is always even and 4 onwards. Because when n is equal to 2, that becomes S2. That is indicated as a Ci point group. That is indicated as a, since S2 is equal to I, that will be indicated as Ci point group. So why n is equal to add? N is equal to add is not exist here, because if n is equal to add, there is a presence of horizontal plane. If presence of horizontal plane is there, that will be moved to the other point group instead of the Sn. That's why only Sn point group n is equal to 4 onwards will be started. And more examples are very rare. You can find out the example for S4 and the S6. And here the order of the group H is equal to here 4 here. Here H is equal to 6 here, that means H is equal to N. The order of this point group H is equal to N. Here H is equal to S. Like this, you can, based on the proper rotation, present the proper rotation axis, you can assign the Cn. Next, the last category is the molecules of special symmetry. The linear point groups as well as the special molecules, that means molecules having a multiple higher order rotational axis belongs to the molecules of special symmetry. Okay, so those are tetrahedral, octahedral, and the icosahedral groups. In case of linear point group, there are two types of linear molecules is there: centrosymmetric and the non-centrosymmetric. Centrosymmetric means homonuclear diatomic molecule. Non-centro means heteronuclear diatomic. Heteronuclear diatomic means HX molecules, HCl, HBr, HI. So though inversion center is opposite, no I, so that will be assigning a C infinity V. H is equal to infinity, because infinite number of vertical planes are present here. There, the order is infinity. Okay. So in case of D infinity H, okay, the centrosymmetric molecules, okay, homonuclear diatomic molecules can be given as an example for D infinity. There is the presence of inversion center, so that will be assigning a D infinity H. So here, so you can also list the elements here. In case of C infinity V, what are the elements which are present here? Can give the, in case of C infinity V, there is a C infinity axis and infinity, so identity element is there, E is there, C infinity axis, infinity number of sigma V is there. So H is equal to infinity. In case of D infinity H, totally identity element is there. So C infinity axis is there, infinity number of sigma V is there, there is I is present, and horizontal plane is also present. So here also H is equal to infinity. So in case of tetrahedral molecules, means CCl4, all tetrahedral molecules, okay, belongs to the Ml4 tetrahedral molecules belongs to the tetrahedral group. Here H is equal to 24 elements is there. The model is very much required for assigning all the to understanding all the elements present in the molecule. Just I am briefing here the molecules and the total number of symmetric elements. In case of octahedral molecules, all regular octahedral molecules of Ml6 type of molecules, okay, belongs to the octahedral group. This is tetrahedral TD. The octahedral, here H is equal to 48 elements is there. The last category is the icosahedral. The icosahedral, the H is equal to 120. There are, in case of IH, the total number of elements H is equal to 120. So here the multiple higher order rotational axis is C3. There are 3 C3s there. The higher order multiple higher order rotational axis present in the octahedral is C4 axis. There are 3 C4 axes there. Hence these move to the special symmetry. So that's why TD, OH, IH is assigned for the respective molecules. So this is how we can make use of the 3-step flowchart for systematic assigning of the point group to the molecule. Thank you.